Evening everyone, Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. In the garage again, so plan is to make another Christmas creation. So let's turn the camera around and have a look as to what I'm planning. So I've still got a reasonable amount of pallet wood left. This is pallet wood that's come from pallets that held Christmas trees, so it's fairly apt that I make some sort of Christmas creation with it, or Christmas inspired design. Now, my original thought was to do a snowman. The blue line would just be representing the middle supports. Not that interesting. So I thought instead I'd do that. I'll try and make a sleigh and little reindeer. So if I set the wood out and can have a rough look as to what I'm thinking. So got to bear in mind as to what the first bit's going to be, which is the sleigh, and then obviously that looks exactly like that, more or less. So my thought is I'll use that small section there, which is 90 centimetres long, as my runners, or runner. I won't use these pieces, but something similar. What my thought is that I'll actually sit that behind the runner, or behind the ski I should say, and that piece will actually go the full height of the wood, which will then act as my anchor to hold all the pieces in place. And what I'm thinking is that I'll kind of screw it together and then make my angle coming out, and then do a cut down to here, which will essentially be the doorway to get into the sleigh, like so. Bring my angle up and somehow do that. That's what I'm thinking. So I think probably my first plan is probably, or first thing is probably to draw it out maybe. No, probably the first thing is to cut a piece of wood that will fix this ski onto the body, and yeah, likewise to that, and then kind of draw it out that way. It's one of those, isn't it? You either do the ski section first and get it all secured, or draw it out and work out how I'm going to do the back section. Yeah, we'll see. Right, so this is kind of what I've sketched out. Got these pieces, which are actually the bases of the pallet. Oh, nearly went flying. So they're the bottom of the pallet. I thought I'd use those for the uprights actually. So just imagine it's cut off there. Obviously ski roughly, and then I need a bit more space in here. That's only on there to weigh it down. So straight edge there, chamfering up to that corner, and then cut down here these three boards, so leaving this one intact because that would be the footwell, if you like, for the sleigh, and then coming back up, two boards in height, cross, down, and then cutting back. That's what I'm thinking. So essentially what I'll do is I'm going to start by, well, I've got my first board anyway. I'll start by getting that cut done and then securing these first two down, and then that will give me sort of rough scale, I suppose, to then start on the other bits. Okay, so I've put a chamfer on both ends of essentially the ski element and screwed down the ski, two fixings per piece, stop it twisting, or stop these bars twisting. So this one's going at a slight angle, so I thought it'd look a little bit better and more realistic, as realistic as it's going to get. Obviously that's gone the straight up, and what I've done is basically mirrored the width of this board in my spacing, so then this board will be screwed down and then this gives me the base plate, if you like, to then work out where the other one should go to, how it's going to look. And this was my provisional line to show the outside of the framework, and this becomes the inner body, but I might just make it a little bit, I'll move it over a little bit just so it hides this upright support a little bit better. So yeah, just that's basically what I'm going to do, just get these bits cut along the lines and fixed in place as I go. So I've done the cuts, basically made this section parallel to this section, so I've got the same angle. And originally I was going to take it all the way to the top, but actually, let's use one of these scraps. I'm thinking I'm just going to keep that square and this top square, because I think it will look a little bit better rather than an angle. Just think it'll look more seat-like. And where I made the cut this way, that gave me the exact angle for here. Simply reverse the plank over and it gets you the correct angle. So again, just put a temporary screw in these two panels just to work out how I wanted it to sit. Originally had it back a little bit more, but I've just shimmied it across, and then that allows me to then work out the angle on the front there. And what I'm going to do, let's just move that out of the way for a moment. I've decided that I'm going to go 4 planks high at the back and only 3 planks high at the front, which I think will give me a better sleigh shape. I think it looks better anyway, so that's what I'm going to cut, is say that top piece into my square piece and do my angle on the front. There we are, front all done, back all done. Basically just got to cut the uprights and that's it. Now, so that's all cut down, the uprights have been cut down, and to tidy over, what I've done was just put a piece of timber on that side, same on here. The only difficulty being now is I need to replicate this angle coming up and then cutting it down. Otherwise, if I just cut it straight, it would come like that and look a bit odd, and I'll then have to do exactly the same on that as well. So I'll just show you the easiest way to mark that out. Okay, so where we've got this angle coming up here, and we need to follow the angle through, use your saw or straight edge, but saw has got a 90-degree marking to it as well. So what we do, get the butt of the saw up tight and just use your top of the blade to get your angle, and we can draw that in. Oh. So we've got the angle drawn there, and then to make sure we get it nice and straight all the way down, use then this 90-degree section of the butt of the saw, offer it up to the wood, run your line down, and then when you start doing your cutting, like so, you'll be following that angle down, or that line down, but at this angle, and that'll give you a perfect cut. So much like this one here, where you can see that's gone in, and we're just going to be following it down. Okay, that's my tip, and it always works. There we are, so perfect angle to match that, nice and straight, job done. Little sleigh, finished, well in timber anyway, might paint it, don't know, but yeah, next job is to try and make a reindeer that matches up with that, and then decide what I'm going to do, but it looks all right. I'm quite happy with the proportions as well. Okay, so it's a new day. I've had a sweep up, tidy up, done my very small amount of painting that I'm going to do, and so that is the sleigh. And to go with it, I made the reindeer. Obviously, that's the small amount of painting I did. Didn't have any red, so pink will suffice. And I think it kind of looks like my initial drawing-ish. The only thing that I'm going to do when we get the Christmas stuff out the loft at some point is just run some lights to connect the reindeer to the sleigh, and maybe do a wrap around the sleigh just to Christmas it up a little bit, and that's it. If I've got, might have some black paint somewhere to do the bottom of the ski, maybe the feet of the reindeer, who knows. But yeah, that's my little project done. So that is it. Second Christmas project done of the year. I don't think I can bring myself to do any more. Maybe next year. But yeah, so video done. If you've got any questions, and send those questions to me, I'll do my very best to answer them for you. If you've liked the video, or indeed the other Christmas videos or plant videos that I do, then please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that reminder button so you don't miss out on the future videos. I always say it, but you know, just enjoy yourself, have fun, and get creative. I'm not the best at drawing, and the head of the deer was probably the hardest bit for me. It kind of looked very much like a duck on the first attempt, but just got to keep trying, haven't you? So till next time, there you go, and bye for now.